Sometimes you are in a rush and you really don't have time to cook. This is the type of recipe that comes handy in those days. It only takes few minutes and tastes really yum. Welcome to Easy Guys. Let's have a look at this recipe quickly. Heat some oil in a pan and add the onions which are roughly chopped. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add the chopped bell peppers. I am using all 3. It gives really nice contrast and sweetness to the recipe. If you have only green ones, you can use those, but adding the red ones really make difference in the taste. Add the sweet corns and saute for 1 more minute. Now cover it and cook it on the medium flame for 1 minute. Once the veggies are tender, evaporate any excess water if you have, and add the chili sauce and tomato sauce. Give it a nice stir and it's ready to serve. You can serve it with any parathas, chapatis, or if you have a party, stuff this in the patties. It really tastes yum. I hope you liked the recipe. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.